In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Find My app when it says no location found on your iPhone, specifically for those of you using iOS 16 or later. We've all been there. You're trying to locate a device or a friend, and suddenly you see that dreaded message. Don't worry, I'll guide you through a simple process to resolve this glitch, and it should only take around 5 minutes of your time. First, let's ensure that your iPhone has internet access. This might sound obvious, but sometimes we overlook the basics. Whether you're connecting via Wi-Fi or cellular data, your phone needs to have a stable internet connection for the Find My app to work effectively. So check if your device is connected and ensure that your internet is running smoothly. If the connection is spotty, you might need to adjust your settings or possibly restart your router for a more stable connection. Next, on your iPhone, navigate to your settings. Once you're there, tap on your Apple ID. This is usually right at the top where your name and picture appear. Under your Apple ID, look for Find My. It's crucial to make sure this feature is enabled because if it's not, the app won't be able to display the location. If you find it's turned off, simply toggle the switch to enable it. Moving on, we need to check that location services are activated. Head back to your settings and go to privacy. There you'll see an option for location services. Make sure this is turned on. Location services allow apps like Find My to pinpoint the exact whereabouts of your device or your friends. Without this feature enabled, the app won't be able to function correctly, leading to the no location found error. Now let's set your date and time to automatic. Go back into settings, then tap on general and find the date and time setting. Ensure that the set automatically option is enabled. Having the correct time zone can actually have a significant impact on the functionality of location based services. So letting your iPhone set this automatically helps prevent any issues related to incorrect time settings. Once these settings are squared away, it's time to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve unexplained glitches and refresh the system. After your phone powers back on, open the Find My app and check if the issue persists. With these steps, the no location found message should disappear and you'll be able to use the app without a hitch. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to resolve the no location found error on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.